Hello everyone, welcome to this tutorial on how to use Binance trading bots to make money. In this video, I'll guide you step by step through the process of setting up and using Binance's Auto Invest bot to start earning profits. Let's dive into the process. The first step is to create your free Binance account. Once you're inside Binance, there are two primary automated ways to make money. First is using trading bots like Auto Invest. Second is copying trades through Binance Copy Trading. Many people ask which option is better. With trading bots, you keep 100% of the profits. For example, if you earn $20 in profits, you get to keep all of it. With copy trading, you keep 90% of the profits, while 10% goes to the lead trader. So, if someone makes $100, they keep $90 and the lead trader earns $10. Both methods are effective, but trading bots allow you to retain more of your earnings. Now, let's set up the Auto Invest trading bot step by step. Follow along carefully. Go to the Trade section in Binance and click on Trading Bots. You'll see a list of available trading bots. Select Auto Invest. This bot is popular because of its simplicity and power. Once you're on the Auto Invest page, scroll down and focus on BTC, Bitcoin. This is one of the safest cryptocurrencies to invest in. Avoid weak altcoins and prioritize BTC for more stable returns. Click Create a Plan. You'll have the option to name your plan, but it's optional. Scroll down to verify that Bitcoin is selected. Choose the amount you want to invest per period. The minimum is as low as 0.1 USDT, so even those with limited funds can get started. Select your payment method. By default, all wallets are selected, but you can adjust this if needed. Decide on the frequency of your investments. For best results, choose daily or hourly to benefit from accurate dollar cost averaging, DCA. Daily is a good starting point for most users. Review the details, such as the investment amount and frequency, then click Next to confirm your plan. Once your Auto Invest plan is set up, the bot will automatically buy Bitcoin for you at regular intervals. This strategy helps you accumulate Bitcoin over time, reducing the impact of market fluctuations. Let's now discuss two key principles to maximize your success with Auto Invest. First, invest regularly. Avoid the mistake of making a one-time investment. Bitcoin's price tends to fluctuate, but its long-term trend has been upward. By investing regularly, you can average out the cost and avoid the risk of buying at a peak. Second, invest for the long term. Bitcoin has consistently outperformed other assets over the years. For example, in the last 5 years, it's delivered over 750% returns, and in the last decade, it's risen by over 19,000%. Holding Bitcoin for years or even decades has proven to be a highly profitable strategy. How to estimate potential profits. Here are 3 tools to help. Use a Bitcoin DCA calculator. Search for one on Google, and you can input your investment amount and duration to see potential returns based on historical data. Visit websites like Case Bitcoin for detailed data on historical prices and growth rates. Try a compound interest calculator. Input your initial investment, expected growth rate, and weekly or monthly contributions to estimate future profits. These tools are free and give you a clearer picture of what to expect from your investments. To sum up, Binance Auto Invest is an excellent way to grow your wealth automatically by accumulating Bitcoin over time. Stick to regular investments, focus on the long term, and use the tools I've shared to estimate your profits. Now, if you want to make serious money from the comfort of your own home, I've found a unique side hustle that 99% of people have never even heard of. Click the link in the description to learn all about it.